Alright, today we are doing two things. Change the CVT transmission oil and change the oil. We have the filter and the crash washer for the engine oil, and basically we just need crash washer for transmission oil. Alright, let's do that. Here everything what you need for these operations. So 2 screwdrivers, Phillips and flat head to take off the undercarriage shield. This I usually use to unscrew the oil filter, or you can use any other tools that helps you to unscrew the filter, engine oil filter. 17 millimeters is to unscrew the plug for the oil filter, and these two guys I needed to drain the oil from the transmission. This is to check the oil level for transmission, and this is to unscrew the drain plug for the transmission. And the crash washer and the filter, we have it here for engine oil, transmission oil, engine oil. Yeah. All right, let's start. At first you need to remove this shield. So for that you need Phillips and flat screw. Phillips is with a thread, and this flat head screw is just like 90 degrees screws. You just need to turn it to the left and it come off. So yeah, Honda did good job making it comfortable for mechanics. So basically when you unscrew all the bolts, then this shield is still held by these two plastics. You just need to move it backwards to the car, and yep, it's come off. Oh, you see, we have someone stuck there. All right, so point of our attention is this guy for drain the oil, motor oil. This is the filter. This is the bolt to drain the oil from the transmission, and this is check bolt to check the level for the transmission oil. And here is the plug I'll show you from the top to put new oil to the transmission, to the CVT transmission. To make it easier to drain the motor oil, I usually open this cap. And transmission oil is here, so we will use this plug and this hole to put new transmission oil. All right, so I put it a little bit upper to don't splash a lot of oil from the plug. So let's go left to unscrew it, and hop, here we go. All right, let's wait until the whole oil will be drained. By and large, then we unscrew the filter and put new oil. All right, oil is still dropping a little bit. That's fine. Yeah, let's put it the way that we can unscrew the filter. All right, so I grab it. Just start with the pliers. The filter itself should not be screwed too tight. Probably I just have the oily gloves, so I cannot turn it. But yeah, all right, it's a little bit mess. Oop. Yep, always wear your protective glasses for this operation to don't get oil in your eyes. All right, let's wait a little bit more, then clean everything up, put new plug, and it will be ready to put new oil in the engine. So yeah, for the engine oil, we need 4 quarters to change the engine oil, and 4 quarters, or like 3.8 quarters according to manual, which is basically 4 quarters, a little bit more, to change the oil in the transmission. Right? If you remove the oil pan or do whole overhaul, then you need more oil. But for this type of change, which is expected to have like 25-30,000 miles, 4 quarters, that's what we need. So yeah, just in case you don't have the crash washer from the dealer, it is like 22 millimeters outer diameter and 14 millimeters inner diameter, and the bolt is what? It's like, yeah, 14 millimeters. But I doubt they always give you the crash washer together with the, and I highly recommend to purchase the oil and the filter from the dealers. It comes directly from Honda. It's all original parts, original filter, and it's not quite expensive. It's basically the same price that you will get in some other shops, and you can pick it up in any dealership. And if you order it online from the Honda Dream Shop, then you will get even discount for the filter. All right, let's put it to the car. All right, let's give it a little bit more time to drain the oil from the plug. But here we already can put the new filter. So here I cleaned everything on the place where we put new filter. We wash it with the brake cleaner later. Now I don't want to like put any things inside. We use a little bit oil to put to the O-ring. I usually don't put oil inside the filter. I don't think it make more sense. Some people does it, but that's not what is necessary. And we tight it with the that's enough. We don't need to tight it with anything else. All right, so now oil is still draining. Let's wait a little bit. For good measure, you can tighten it using the all right, good. We can use this time to clean everything around the filter. Right, oil is still dripping, but I think that's fine. We already can put the plug back. All right, and tighten it. All right. So the torque spec for that is the 40 Newton meters, but usually I don't go so far, and like 35 Newton meters is enough for me. It's never leaked. So let's put new oil to the engine. Yeah, put the funnel in. This is the most expensive oil that Honda sells. It's like a couple of dollars more than the other oils that they send, which is still good. Make sure that you use the Honda original oil 0W20 for basically engines, Honda engines, 1.5 liter turbo engines. I still dropped something, right? So usually I put like 3.5 liter first, or like 3.5 quarts first, and then top it if you need more. So let's put 16, what's it, ounces, half of the liter. half of the quart. Right. Let's measure the level. So it's more, but we will let engine run for 3 minutes, filter to be filled in. All right, let's see. So we are here. So let's put more oil. All right, let's put 8 more. All right, now it is more than half. For good measure, we can put rest of the oil. If we overfill a little bit, it's still fine. But I don't think we overfill. I think now we will be at the upper level. So yeah, 4 quarts, as usual. Cool. So now let's drain the oil from the transmission. All right, as I mentioned, for the transmission we need 3/8 regular ratchet and just pull it. Oh. The plug has the magnet that collect all the small debris, the metal debris. That's normal. That's why it's there. And yeah, let's clean it, put the new crush washer and put it back. We still need this one to check the level when we put the new oil back. All right, so let's see what we have here. Here we have, yeah, quite a lot of shaving, but that's normal. That's why we have it here. See, on the magnet. Yep. So the crush washer, let's find the same one. So it is 26 outer and what's more important, 18 millimeters in inner diameter. M18, that's exactly what we need. And this I purchased this from the Amazon. The outer diameter is a little bit less, but that's totally fine. So we have like 24 instead of 26. Yeah, that's totally normal. I think we can use the rack to clean it a little bit. Yep. All right. So here's the funnel that is convenient to use when you pour the new oil for the transmission. Yeah, you can purchase it in the Harbor Freight. All right, it's slightly dripping. Let's put it back, tighten it. All right, clean it. So yeah, torque it to, I would say, 35 Newton meters. So it's HCF2 Honda oil. It's one. It's two. Three. Like when you pour the oil, make sure that you don't pour oil too fast, because like the bubbles put the oil back. Alright, I think we put quite enough. Alright, what we need to do now is to start the engine, put PRNDSLSDNRP, then oh yeah, and wait 3 seconds on each mode, then turn off the engine, and then check the level and add if necessary. Yeah, so it should be slightly dripping from this top. So what you need to do is to take the level and 3 seconds for each mode, go to the end, S, L, and then back with 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now stop the engine. And now check the check hole, and it should slightly dripping. Клик, клик. Так, пшикаем BMW-шным брейк-клинером, чтобы было все надежно и красиво. Все, и ставим защиту. Все, поставили, все, осталось все закрутить, и все готово. Болтики, которые вот сюда вставляются, они такие немножко ржавенькие, поэтому я использую керамическую вот эту вот антисист пасту. Все установлено, все проверено, все супер.